Good morning. It's a thick fog today. I mean, I did alright. I got out reasonably early, came down. I can't see a thing. I mean, the fog's really low. Temperature when I came out was -1. So it's pretty cold out here as well. So I can't see the fog lifting too quick. Really still, it's a beautiful morning. I mean, I love mornings like this. I love this atmosphere. Not great initially for photography unless we can get really close to something, because we're not going to see much in the distance. But yeah, it's absolutely fantastic. When the river's still, everything's still, and it is really atmospheric. So we're just gonna have a walk around this morning, just to relax, chill out, walk around, and just see if we can find anything. I mean, I don't know. A lot of small birds starting to appear, so probably a lot of small birds we'll see today. So well, hopefully, if we can see through the fog anyway. But yeah, so just have a walk around, see what we can find, and see if we can bring you some images. So let's go and see. Just down in the area where we used to come and look out for the foxes, early parts of spring and that sort of thing. But this morning we're just not seeing anything at all. I mean, if you just listen, no bird song, no nothing. I don't know whether it's because of the conditions, or whether they made a lot of changes around this area, so whether that's moved a lot of the wildlife on. Having said that, we just had a green woodpecker fly by, but other than that, very little around. It's really quiet. It's really hard as well, because when you're walking over this frozen ground, it's very hard to walk quietly without disturbing anything. So if there is anything there, as soon as you turn a corner and you're crunching on the path, then it's off, it's gone, sort of thing. So, but yeah, we'll keep trying. I mean, as I say, atmospherically it's absolutely beautiful, but wildlife photography, no, definitely not this morning at the moment. We'll keep trying though. It might, if this fog lifts and it brightens up, that might bring a lot of the birds out, start them feeding. But as I say, yeah, that's wildlife. that's been tough, you know. I mean, around the main nature reserve that we normally go to, there's quite a lot of stuff coming in, waders, waterfowl, all that sort of stuff around, and it's starting to get quite busy. But just walking around the countryside, around the area, there's just nothing, you know. I say, I don't know why, I don't know whether it's the conditions or what, but there is very, very little around. But hey ho, that's the way it goes sometimes, you know. We just can't predict it, can we? You know, when we're just going to have a wander around, you don't know what you're going to find. You might come across something really special. You know, I'd love to see a deer walking out of the mist or something like that today. But very unlikely at the moment. So, you know, those pigeons just go over the top. Yeah, so that's it really. I say, not a massive amount to report, but that's the way it goes. So I just wanted to really bring this out to you because you know, it's been a couple of weeks since I've actually done a video, so because I have been struggling to really find some decent stuff. So so yeah, just want to bring this out. Sam's still around, bring you for a little walk around with me, have a look what we could find or not find, as the case might be. And if you do like the videos, you know, please do click a like down below for me. That would be great. And if you're new around here, you know, please do subscribe. You know, say sometimes we come up with some fantastic stuff. You know, say you just don't know. So you might see something if you carry on watching the channel. You might see something pretty good, and I'm sure you will over the next, you know, few months or so, as it gets really busy, as it gets into spring and everything starts to liven up. So whatever you're doing, have a great day, and I'll catch up with you again soon. Bye for now.